Hello good people, greetings from WPFraternity. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a contact form in WordPress for free by using the WPForms plugin. And our result will be like this one, where the name can be filled, subject field will be there, email will be there, and the message will be there, and we can send messages. So there will be a few steps to complete this. First, installing the plugin. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I will be using this site, and as you can see also that I am using the basic default 2024 theme, and we will hover over the plugins, click on add new plugin, and on the search plugin search bar we are going to type in WPForms, and here it is. It has a very good number of active installation, and there is a very good number of 5-star rating as well. So let's click on install. While installing, I would like to mention, no matter what kind of WordPress website you have, it is always have a great idea to have a contact form on your website, so that visitors, customers, clients, and even potential customer can get in touch with you. So our plugin is installed, our first step is done. Now let's activate. So the first time we will install or activate the plugin, we will be introduced a welcome page like this, and from here we will be able to create our first contact form. But I will be showing you how to create the contact form from the menu as well. So I will be clicking on this X icon, so it will be closed. So as we have installed and activated the WPForms plugin, on the left side we will get a menu called WPForms. So this will be the all forms, where all the forms will be available after creating one, and from here we will be able to create our new form. From here we will be able to see our entries. Entries will be like when a user or customer complete the contact form and send the details. By default it will be going to the admin email, site admin email, but it will be a WPForms Pro feature. But if you want, you can upgrade it and you can check it from here as well. And there will be a payment option. From template, there are more than 1000 template available, but as our main goal on this video is to create a basic contact form for free, the available template will be enough for us to do that for today. And from the settings we'll be able to see that there will be license settings, general settings, GDPR, and from email we can select the email template, header image, background color, sending, and so much and so on. We can able to enable the captcha. Right now it's none. We can select our validation. We can change this field is required. We can change this text as well. Test email, please enter email address, test as well. From here we can change all our validation messages from here. After we click save the changes, and after that we will be able to see the payments if we enable the payments. But our main goal is not to make the payment available for the contact form. After that we will get the integration. There will be so many integration available for the contact WPForms plugin, but most of them are on the Pro, and you can avail it after upgrading to the WPForms Pro plugin. And there will be an option for geolocation as well, which will be available from the Pro, and access control will be available from the Pro as well. And after that we will be get the miscellaneous settings. For example, hide announcement, hide admin bar menu, disable email, installing WPForms, remove all the WPForms data upon plugin deactivation. We can enable or disable that as well. For example, for now I will be enabling this one. After that we'll get the tools. From here we can import and export our forms. We can check our system info, schedule actions, logs, and so on. After that we'll get the add-ons, where all the premium add-ons will be available. Analytics will be there. We can install the analytics plugin for Monster inside. After that we'll get the SMTP. If you want the SMTP, you can enable the WP SMTP as well. After that we'll get the About Us, community, and upgrade form. So those are not the main thing. So let's create our first contact form by clicking on Add New. So let's go. So for now I will be clicking on the blank form, create a blank form. Now this is our form builder. So I will not be going this one, setup, click blank form, OK. So this is our form builder, and now you can see there are so many fields available on the WPForms, but not all of them are available in the free version. But the fields that are available on the WPForms free version will be enough for us to create a simple contact form. Now you can add, or we can add these fields by two options. For example, if we click this one, this will be added, but we can drag this field and drag here as well, and by this way we will be able to add our fields as well. So now this is a single line text, paragraph text. For example, we will add name, email, and those are enough for us. So now in here I want to show you something, that for example you have added those fields and now you would like to change the, for example you would like to make this paragraph text on the first. What you can do is you can drag this like this and you can make this paragraph text available in the upper. Now if you would like to change this text, for example paragraph text, single line text, name, just click on this one and this individual field settings will be available. For example, I would like to change this paragraph text to description text, just to demonstration. Description will be here. We can able to make it required. Let's make it required. This red star icon will be here if we click on the required. After that we'll get the advanced settings as well. We can set the medium, large, field size, placeholder text. So let's click on this one. This is a placeholder text. We can set the limit length, default value, CSS class, and so much and so on. So this is how we can change this text and placeholder text as well. And for other field, this is the same way that we can change this text as well. Now if you would like to make the single line text another field, we can just click on this one. Are you sure you want to duplicate this field? Just click OK, and we can change this text field to. So make it required, just to show you. And if you want to delete any field, we can do that as well by clicking the delete icon. So this is how we can change our individual field settings. Now how we can change the whole field settings? For example, this will be the option. From here we can change all the settings that will be implemented on the whole form, not the individual form. For example, we have selected the blank template, so it's called blank form. Now we'll be changing, this is our first contact form. This is our form description. Text, it's okay. Submit your message. We can change the sending button processing text. Just to show you, let me change testing so that I can show you where these text are showing. So these are the general settings. We can get the settings for the spam protection and security. For now, we will not be going there. After that, we will be able to get the notification, send the email address, admin email, email subject line, new blank form entry. For example, this is from our first contact form. This will be the email subject. Reply to all fields, we will be able to change that as well. After that, we will get the confirmation settings. Confirmation type, we can show a message or we can show a page. We can even change the go to a redirect. We can redirect after submitting the contact form as well. For example, for now I will be showing the message, thank you for contacting us, touching shortly, and this is our test form, so that we can see from where these are text are changing. So our basic contact form is done. Now we will be clicking on the save. So in this way we have completed the second step, which is creating our first contact form. Now the third step will be adding this contact form to our page so that we can make the form available to our user. Now I will be clicking on this X icon. I will be going to an add new page. This is our, let's make it contact form. No, right now we'll be not doing that. Now you can click this one, this X icon, this plus icon. Now search for the WPForms. This will be the block, and from here we will be able to select our form that we have created. So let's select this one. So this is our contact form. We will be publish. Let's view the page. This is our contact form. So let's submit this form. This is how easy it is to create a contact form with WPForms plugin. Single line text. This is a single line text 2, single line text 2, name WPFraternity tutorials, email fraternity@gmail.com. So as you have seen, we have changed the text here as well. Now we will be clicking on the submit your message, and this is where the changes is showing as well. Thanks for contacting with us. We'll be in touch with you shortly. This is our test form. So this is how easy it is to create a contact form with WPForms, and with this we have completed this video on how to create a contact form and a basic overview of WPForms plugin. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comments below if you have any questions, suggestions or feedback. Also subscribe to WPFraternity and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I will be see you on the next one. Until then, take care.